But you know, सबसे ज़्यादा exaggeration करते हैं news channels वाले, especially India TV. They do anything they feel like for TRPs. Like, do you guys remember the 2006 Mumbai train blast? Only 6 bomb blasts had happened. But India TV was already reporting that 10 bomb blasts had happened. I think for once even the terrorists would have gotten confused. You know? वे 4 एक्सलवास किसने किए थे यार? 4 एक्सलवास किसने किए? सब पता नहीं सर, शायद अब्दुल ने किए होंगे सर. ये सर इसने अपने रेज्यूमे में भी लिखा है. I like giving more than my 100%. वही है सर ये. सबसे ज़्यादा exaggeration होता है hill stations पे, especially the tourist guides. आपने देखा tourist guides hill stations, they just tell you anything they feel like. Like you went to Lonavala, it takes us to Tiger Point. Like you were really excited to see some real tigers. Next day it takes us to this large field. He's like, sir, वो बड़ी वाली rock देख रहे हो सर? सर ध्यान से देखिए सर, it is in the shape of a tiger sir. Tiger Point. And you know, now I'm trying really hard now to visualize that tiger in that rock. And there will always be this one guy in your group who will put pressure on you only. अबे वो तेरे को दिख नहीं रहा था, tiger बन तो रहा यार. तो time waste मत कर यार. I mean, you're under so much pressure after a point, you're like, अच्छा वो! दिख रहा tiger अभी. इन्हें मेरे को तो और दुर्गा माता भी दिख रही बैठी हुई यार. Thanks यार. आज तूने bigger picture दिखा दी. Thanks. Then I went to Taj Mahal. Do you guys know this fun fact about Taj Mahal? Shah Jahan, he cut the hands of all the workers so that they cannot build another Taj Mahal. And my point is, do you guys think like after Shah Jahan he cut the hands of the first worker, the rest of the workers, they just started, you know, they got scared and they just started bluffing. They're like, अरे सर मैंने Taj Mahal बनाया नहीं सर. सर मैं कुछ नहीं करता था, मैं सिर्फ सैलरी लेता था सर. अरे सर, I am from the HR department. Try to understand यार. हम लोग कुछ नहीं करते सर. हम बस दिवाली के टाइम ऑफिस में रंगोली बनाते हैं सर. That's it सर.
हेलो, रंजीत वालिया स्पीकिंग. या शालिनी? ऑफ कोर्स आई अंडरस्टैंड इट्स अ बल्क शो डील. ओके फाइन, एक बार क्लाइंट से डायरेक्टली डिस्कस कर लेंगे, बट ओनली बिकॉज पीपल सर लाइक्स यू. हाँ, मीट मी टुनाइट इन पर्सन. नो 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 शालिनी, आई डोंट थिंक वो पॉसिबल होगा. यू नो, बिकॉज आई एम आउट ऑफ टाउन ना. क्या करें, बिजनेस. या आई नो, टू बैड. या स्काइप कॉल तो आई डोंट नो शालिनी. ये नहीं, ऑफ कोर्स विपुल सर रियली वांट्स टू डू दिस शोज. या इट्स
यार अंदर नींद कब आ गई पता ही नहीं चला. ये कमोड बिना जरूरत से ज्यादा ही कंफर्टेबल होते हैं. दिस इज व्हाई आई लाइक इंडियन.
लेट मी जस्ट फिगर इट आउट शालिनी. आई जस्ट कॉल यू बैक. ओके,
तेरा शो खत्म हो गया? लेट्स गो टू द बार काउंटर ब्रो. चलो
चलते हैं, लेकिन उसके पहले तेरे से एक छोटा सा काम है.
लेट मी बी वेरी क्लियर, आई एम अगेंस्ट ऑल ऑफ दिस.
क्या होटल का वाईफाई यूज करने का? डोंट वरी, फ्री है.
नहीं बे, ये फेक मैनेजर.
फेक कहाँ है यार? देख, रंजीत का खुद का फोन नंबर है, खुद की आवाज है और अब खुद का चेहरा भी.
आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट लीगैलिटीज है. क्या तू ये क्लाइंट को कन्विंस करने के लिए वेबसाइट, फेक मैनेजर और अभी फेक स्काइप आईडी? ब्रो, यू आर एन आर्टिस्ट. शो योरसेल्फ सम रिस्पेक्ट.
But as Ranjit would say, respect doesn't pay the rent of Vipul sir's house. देख बुशी, for the next half an hour, just stay calm and composed. और मैं जैसे जैसे बोलता हूँ बस वैसे वैसे बोलता जा.
ओके फाइन.
Good.
पर कब करना होगा ये?
अभी.
अभी?
या.
अभी तो तूने चार्ज पे लगा था फोन.
हाँ, बट 5 मिनट में 2 घंटे का चार्ज होता है. जस्ट रिमेंबर, जैसा बोलूँ वैसे बोलते जाना, ठीक है?
Hi, can you see us? Can you see me? Can you see him? Me?
Yes, yes, I can see you. Yes.
Hi, I'm Tarun Jain and this is my colleague Varun Pathak.
Varun Pathak, Tarun Jain.
Hi, this is Ranjit Kalia. Walia. Sorry, I'm bad with names.
Your own name?
I understand that you wanted to meet me urgently regarding the shows.
Yes, we wanted to resolve all issues and lock this down by the weekend.
Yes. Weekend is for fun. We have no work on weekend policy.
That's why Shalini suggested we quickly touch base with you.
Who's Shalini?
Shalini, the event manager, Red Velvet Events.
Oh, Shalini.
No. Shalini.
Oh, okay. Yeah, of course I know her. Yeah.
So, Mr. Ranjit, we have a very important question. What will Vipul wear at the event?
His own clothes.
No, what type of clothes? You see, our theme is smart casuals. We definitely want less of casual and more of smart.
Like 30% casual and 70% smart.
Well, in that case, Vipul sir will wear a jacket.
Can you send us a picture of him wearing that so that we are sure?
Yes, of course. Anything else you want?
Yes, regarding the content.
Oh, yes, the content. We want you to keep out sex, religion, and politics.
And no jokes on women.
Yes, no jokes on women. As a company, we have a strict no sexism policy.
Because women can't handle jokes on themselves. They're very sensitive.
Yes, they're very sensitive, no matter how trivial the issue is.
You guys realize that this is perfectly fine for Vipul. Sir. In fact, he's known for his clean content, intelligent humor. So it's worth every rupee you spend on him.
Yes, regarding that, we need to go over the quotations you have sent.
What about them?
They're high.
Way too high. I mean, for a 1 hour show, you are quoting in a amount जो यहाँ के employees की monthly salary से ज़्यादा है.
I mean, give us some reasonable number. It's an 8-show bulk deal after all. Mr. Ranjit?
Hello?
Mr. Ranjit, can you see? Mr. Ranjit, can you see us?
Yes.
So my colleague here was saying,
No, you was.
I was saying that the quotations are too high. Don't you think?
Yes.
Yes. So you agree?
Of course. I do agree. It's very high. पर क्या है ना कि क्वालिटी इतनी अच्छी है. And with great quality comes great quotations.
No, but even then, Mr. Ranjit, you can't.
Now here's the deal, guys. ये कोई salary negotiation नहीं है, and Vipul sir is not your employee, he's an artist. He's already willing to adhere to all your company dress codes and policies, which frankly I think are sexist themselves. But I won't be bargaining on his behalf. तुम लोगों को लग रहा है कि 1 घंटे के जोक सुनाने के लिए इतना पैसा क्यों? लेकिन उस 1 घंटे के जोक के लिए 3 साल की जो मेहनत गई है, ये उसका पैसा है. You guys think you're buying a furniture? You're out here to buy an experience. So now it's your call. What is important? Ensuring a good experience or getting some petty discount? Because you're not gonna get both. Let Shalini know when you've decided. Bye.
Wow. What, how, where did all that come from? You said artist, experience, discount.
अरे तुझे याद नहीं है पिछले साल जब पापा ने केबल कटवाया था तो मैं रूट के थाईलैंड चला गया था वहाँ रास्ते में सब ऐसे नेगोशिएट करते हैं
Did you just pimp me out?
An artist deserves nothing less.
You know what, Bushi? मैं हमेशा सोचता था कि तू किसी काम का नहीं है. Like you're lazy, careless, you're irresponsible. But you're one of the very few who understands the struggle and efforts of an artist. And that's the kind of guy I'm looking for. That's the kind of guy I want by my side. I can't believe I'm saying this, but Bushi, will you be my Ranjit Walia?
You know, Vipul, तू बिल्कुल मेरा छोटा भाई ऐसा है यार वो भी बहुत बड़ा चूतिया है. How dare you ask me to work, bro? तू मुझे मेरा लाइफ का फंडा नहीं पता क्या? If work is worship, I'm an atheist.
Yeah, hi Shalini. No, it's fine. So what did they say? Oh. No, I understand. Yeah, maybe next time then. No, in fact, hello.
विपुल
शालिनी का फोन था. I didn't get the shoes. यार एक मौका मिला था टू मेक इट टू द नेक्स्ट लेवल. वो भी
विपुल एक्चुअली
ओके खुशी तेरी फॉल्ट नहीं है. नो नीड टू अपोलोजाइज. ठीक है.
No, I just came to take the beer, yeah.
कमेंट्स में बताओ और ऐसी और वीडियोस देखने के लिए सब्सक्राइब करो.